Ashia Towns-Weaver, and I'm currently a phlebotomist of 16 years, IV therapy technician of 5 years at one of the best medical institutions here in Baltimore City. Throughout the years, I've worked in many healthcare settings, inpatient, outpatient, doctor's offices, you name it. I've worked with infants, children, adults, and geriatric patients along the way. I'm also the owner and founder and phlebotomy instructor of IT Phlebotomy Solutions, located downtown Baltimore. I'm doing this video this morning because I would like to thank the Black Enterprise Consulting team for guiding me through the process of starting my own phlebotomy workshop. I was also fortunate enough to attend their instructor's workshop, which now make me a certified phlebotomy instructor as well. Although I've been a phlebotomist for many years, learning the business aspect and taking the instructor's workshop was so necessary for me. New life experiences deserve more knowledge. I needed all the information their workshops had to offer, from the business point of view to the instructor's point of view. While working with the Black Enterprise Consulting team, I have to say they have integrity. They want to see you win. They are there every step of the way and making sure everything is done in decency and in order, basically the correct way. Working with Black Enterprise Consulting, I became more organized. I learned new teaching methods. I learned how to build my own curriculum. I learned how to even deal with different personalities on more of a professional level as a business owner and phlebotomy instructor. I even learned more about myself along the way. I will recommend Black Enterprise Consulting team. I will recommend the Black Enterprise Consulting team to anyone. If you are looking for genuine, honest people to help you in the pursuit of starting a business, becoming a phlebotomist, a certified phlebotomist, or even a certified phlebotomy instructor, I recommend them. I recommend all of their workshops. They are fun to work with. They make learning easy. They're very reliable. They are just great people, and I'm so grateful that I had them along the way of my journey. Thank you.